they say nga, oh, he's strict, ganyan. Pero no, sobrang cool niya as a person. Very, you know, he talks to me really about like what I should do and how I should be. So, very respectable po siya. Napakatotoo po siyang tao. He's very, you know, when they say he's hardworking, it's different po when you see it firsthand na yung events na napupuntahan niya, may mga like over 15 every day. Tapos, you don't see him tired. You don't see him breaking a sweat. Always nakatawa. And he genuinely wants to help the people. So, that's what I respect about him. I wish you all the best. Like, I'm just really here for you. I believe in you and the whole Team San Juan. So, thank you very much for this opportunity. And I will do my best in trying to help the city of San Juan.